Another beautiful Ontario morning, Kingston. And the tire we put on in Oshawa needs a bit of help. Early morning stuff. Today we hit Quebec City, about a 5 to 6 hour drive, and somebody's ready to go right now.
So here we are, hitting Quebec, but nowhere to pull over and get a proper picture of it. So, welcome to Quebec.
Welcome to Quebec.
Yay! Construction in Quebec as well.
Yeah, looks like another crossing. Or I'm guessing the St. Lawrence. Trucks are not allowed in the right lane. What's this road like? Lunch stop just east of Montreal on the way to Trois Rivières. Signs are in French. Arrête. Okay, how's lunch? Good.
Very good.
Potato salad. We got a little
Tomatoes, cucumber, cheese, pepperoni.
A little bit of a late lunch because we went through
and it caused the Big Apple dessert
from yesterday.
Yep.
We left Kingston this morning at 9, and we came to east of Montreal now. Little later of a lunch than we would hoped, but it was a 5.5 hour drive today. So we're still 2 hours away from our destination in Quebec City, Camping Lac St, Augustine, and we'll be there for 4 nights. This is the old sights of old Quebec City. Been waiting for years to see this, but we'll recap a bit more about how the day went, because we're going to get to put a sticker on when we at camp.
Yep.
Put our first Quebec sticker on. And Edgar just went for a little walk and a run, and he's a happy camper.
And you just had a drink of water, as you can see all over the floor.
Yeah, it's all over the floor, right there.
That's why we have a mop.
Time to shave his beard. That's what drips everything. So we're in a rest stop, which you saw earlier with me and Edgar running. And yeah.
It's different. It's in the middle of the East and West Highway, Highway 40. And you kind of merge into the middle. So it's pretty cool.
Yep. So getting through Montreal wasn't as bad as I'd hoped. Or no, I don't hope. I don't hope. As bad as I thought it might be. So
this is Wally Parr. I gotta say it. This is Wally Parr potato salad. Awesome.
It's totally good, yeah. Okay. Where are we now?
Quebec.
Quebec. We are now in our campsite at Lac St. Augustine, just about 9-10 kilometers west of Quebec City. We are set up. I got my Starlink finally. Deb ordered that black bracket up there, and it's lined up and it's all going. So because today is a new location, a new province for us, we are going to add a decal. And so Deb, you're gonna stick that decal on. Okay.
All right.
The decal, here we go.
Now I gotta peel it off of here.
Pour la Québécois.
We are in Quebec. Just throw that down there. Okay.
All right.
It's a big sticker, so.
Yeah, it's going to be difficult to put on, I think, but.
Yeah.
Well, start in one corner and go to the other. It's all you can do. It'll never be perfect. Oh, that is darn perfect there. No, I wouldn't do that. Oh boy. Yep. Good call, good call. Look at that.
Look at that.
This is why she does decals, because for me, it would never get put on straight.
This is quite the achievement.
It is quite the achievement.
Yeah.
Yep, so here we are in Quebec.
We're going to be here for like 4 days.
4 days. We're going to eat some really fine dining in Quebec City. We're going to go to the old part of town, and you're going to see some footage of that. And our T-Rex sticker's coming off.
Uh-oh.
What the heck?
We got more. It's the weather stripping.
Yeah, it's the weather stripping peels them off. Maybe I'll just, the same thing with this RV park from Loretto in Baja.
Oh well.
It's tearing it off.
It is what it is.
Yeah, it just seems to be in that level too. It's nothing else. But you'll notice we got a Mexico sticker. Yeah. Because this is where we play, is right in there. Is where we play. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 provinces down, and we've got a few more to do.
Yes.
Yes, we have all that. All right, so that's it. We are done. Okay, dog's been walked around the compound, went down to the river, chicken on the go with yellow beans, and it looks like we're going to have some potato salad from Wally Parr. And have you got a beer?
I finished it.
You want another?
Yes.
The answer is always yes. Take note. I'll find some more to put in there. Here it is. I will open it and I will test it. Nope, not poison. Okay, there you go. All right, not poison.
Above and beyond.
Above and beyond. Call of Duty. So this is the beer section of the day. This is from Lake of the Woods Brewing Company. It's a Sultana Gold Blonde Ale, and named after the legendary Sultana gold mine on the Lake of the Woods. The mine, which was located on the Sultana Island, prospered for over a decade and eventually flooded in 1902. The gold may not have been panned out, but this clean, crisp, sessional ale certainly did. Stake your claim to a true northern beer and bring home the gold. And it says here, make it lake time. And now that we are in Quebec City, basically, Lac St. Augustine, as I may have mentioned, and let's do the taste test. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, golden ale, definitely. get out there towards Lake of the Woods in Ontario. Tomorrow I think I'll be picking up a 6-pack of local Quebec beer. If I can find Laurentide, I will, but I don't know that I will. But whatever microbrews around, microbrasserie, they call it, microbrewery, I will get some. But anyways, this is Sultana Gold. Good stuff.
If you like our content, please hit like, share, and subscribe.